At the Cabinet Review meeting held today, the 18th of May 2021, the Government of Meghalaya has decided to go in for a total lockdown from tomorrow, the 19th of May 2021 at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. of the 31st of May 2021. The reason behind this imposition of the total lockdown is due to the surge of cases in the state, which is at an alarming rate. Today itself, the total cases have reached 973 positive cases with 19 deaths and of course 470 recoveries. The government has also assured the citizens of the state that there is a stock of essential food items, so panic buying should not happen. As of the total lockdown, all shops and business establishments, be it necessary or essentials, will be totally shut down for the entire total lockdown period. With cameraman Rafaljan, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus Shillong.
From tomorrow 19 May, 8 p.m, we will impose total lockdown in East Khasi Hills district up to 31st May 21 at 5 a.m. in the morning. When I say total lockdown means no shops, be it essential, be it necessary, means total lockdown. That is the meaning of total lockdown. Because all these days, what we did was, few areas were exempted. We still allow. And people also keep moving out, moving in. But this time, total lockdown from tomorrow night at 8 o'clock has to be in place. Stock of food items is available. You don't have to worry about the stock. We do have the stock, and unlike last year where we had a national lockdown, we did have suspension of train services, suspension of air services, so on and so forth. But this time, let me assure the citizens of the state, you don't have to worry about it because the stock is easily available.
The number of new cases today is 906, of which 574 alone are in East Khasi. The number of recovered cases is 470. The total number of active cases is 5,332, out of which 3,076 are in East Khasi and 674 are in Shillong district. The number of deaths as of today, from yesterday evening till this time, is 19. 19. East Khasi Hills 70, North Garo Hills 1, and Shillong district 1.